Will all Chinese companies be delisted with Trump's signature? The reason why Chinese electric car companies pushed for a listing on the US stock market, even though they knew the bill would be passed. Finally, the foreign companies' reprimand law passed through both the US Congress. It was officially passed by President Trump's signature. And of course, since the summer of this year, it's been a fact that everyone, from famous hedge fund in the US to individual investors, knew about it. I don't think it's gonna have a big impact on the stock price of NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto. On the day the bill was passed, a catchy title came out with a very provocative word. He mentions the name of Alibaba, NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto using the words that could lead to delisting. I tend to filter out articles that point to specific stocks in the title. The article kindly tells us that the above 4 companies in the title itself can be delisted, so we should respond actively. There are a lot of Chinese companies listed in the US stock market. It's not based on market capitalization or trading volume, but why are only 4 companies talking about it? According to the article, there is a story about the delisting of Luckin Coffee, which is so frequently promoted. The Chinese companies currently listed on the US stock market never know about the Luckin Coffee's past. NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto are undergoing audit at PwC, the world's largest accounting firm, and are submitting the information to PCAUB. Of course, the audit of Chinese companies submitted to PCAUB in the US may be tailored to Chinese standards, but they have fully cooperated with the PwC for 3 years. By submitting to PCAUB in accordance with US law, all risks can be addressed. If all Chinese companies in the US stock market were delisted, who would suffer more? If Chinese companies listed in the US stock market are delisted, Chinese government can help these companies go back to the Chinese stock market and relist them. With the help of major shareholders in the Chinese stock market, you can make a comeback as much as you want. Wouldn't that mean that only someone who will suffer are institutions and individual investors in the US? We need to make a clear distinction between President Trump's political response and the actual impact on the market economy. The combined market capitalization of Chinese companies listed on the US stock market is about $2 trillion.